This video is for the Inform project. I'm Jay Cullen. I'm in a laboratory at the Bob Wright Center at the University of Victoria, and it's April 20th, 2015. And what you hear in the background is a Geiger counter that's measuring ionizing radiation here in the laboratory, background ionizing radiation. And you can see from the readout of the Geiger counter, at full scale is about 500 counts, that we're seeing on the order of 20 to 30 counts per minute. When we receive seawater samples from citizen scientist volunteers, we concentrate all the radioactive elements present in 20 liters onto a special resin that's very sticky for some of the gamma-emitting isotopes that we're interested in. And when we take our Geiger counter and we put them on top of those columns, you'll see that the number of counts that we see, owing to the radioactivity, both artificial and naturally occurring in seawater, that sticks to the columns is insignificantly different from background. And this highlights the fact that going out and collecting seawater for us along the BC coast doesn't expose our volunteers to ionizing radiation that's significantly different from background. So let's just compare this with other sort of items that one can find. The next thing I'm going to show you is a piece of dinnerware, in fact, that was produced to get a really brilliant bright red color. You can see it here. It's called Fiestaware, and some of you have probably already heard of it. If I turn it over, you can read that it says Fiestaware in the back. And this beautiful red color actually comes from a uranium oxide glaze. And people used to eat off these plates. People do collect them still. And I just wanted to show you that if we take our meter and we take it close to this piece of dinnerware, find that we go off scale, and I'll just adjust our scale upwards, and we see that the actual counts per minute with the adjusted scale are on the order of 10,000 counts per minute. So that's relative to our background of 30 and the background that we see associated with our concentrated radioactivity from seawater. Finally, I'll show you a piece of naturally occurring uranium ore mined from New Hampshire. It's called uraninite, and it's just being placed on the counter beside me now, so you'll already start to hear the Geiger counter respond to it. I'll take the meter and bring it into contact with this piece of uraninite, and you can see that we're basically going off scale with respect to ionizing